Hello, and welcome to another episode of 5 Minutes with Freed. I'm your host, Michael Freed. I'm a litigation partner in the matrimonial and family law firm of Berkman, Botker, Newman, and Shine, with offices in New York City, Westchester, and Long Island. And today, my special guest is Andrea Resnick of Legacy Concierge. So, Andrea, welcome to 5 Minutes with Freed.
Thank you for having me.
Sure. So, Adrian, tell us, what is Legacy Concierge and what's your role in the company?
So, I am the president and founder of Legacy Concierge. We are a consulting firm that works with families and individuals who are planning for either at need funeral arrangements or pre need funeral arrangements. And then outside of that, which is my area of expertise, I look to connect my clients with experts in allied industries. So, whether that be financial services, real estate, memorialization, insurance, there's a lot of needs that people have before, during, and after planning a funeral service. And I know my area of expertise, but I want to connect them with the best resources they can have.
Okay, sounds good. So now, Andrea, you know that I'm a matrimonial and family law attorney. When would my clients most often require your services?
So, if there's a major family event, or if somebody within their family is aging, diagnosed with given a medical diagnosis, and they need to prepare anything that they're, really when they're aging, we don't necessarily deal with people who are newly married, unless they're older. But those are typically the times when people are speaking to you about their needs and they think about somebody else in their family who may be in need of pre-arrangements or maybe to the point of at need arrangements.
Okay. And what are the challenges that you face in your area of work?
Well, the biggest one is that I deal with a taboo topic that people don't necessarily want to speak about. And sometimes it can benefit them to speak about things earlier. So, what I look to do, or how I combat the challenge, which I know you didn't ask, is I try to make things approachable and conversational. And learning about somebody is how I'm able to best assist them and guide them. But that's the number one thing that people really don't want to talk about it, even though we know it is inevitable.
Sure, sure. So, Andrea, what's the best way for a prospective client or other professional like myself to contact you?
For professionals, the best way to contact me is on LinkedIn. It's my name, Andrea Resnick, or you can always go on my website and fill out a form or email me at Andrea at legacyconciergellc.com.
Perfect. So now, Andrea Resnick, we've now come to the most important part of our show, and that happens to be the question of the week. So, Andrea Resnick, this is your question of the week. You have the ability to travel back in time. What period of your life would you return to and why?
If I had to go back in time and return, given my age and where I was, I would say, as a loyal Wisconsin Badger, I would absolutely go back to college. It's where I met my best friends, where I had the most fun 4 years and learned a lot about myself and got a great education. So that is where I would go back to.
Well, I have to tell you, that is a great answer. And Andrea Resnick, you have said it all. You are helping people with their funeral arrangements one day at a time. And I want to thank you for being a wonderful guest on 5 Minutes with Free.
Thank you so much for having me.